Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to connect your Canon printer to Wi-Fi using your phone. This setup is very easy, and it works with most Canon printers that support wireless connection. So let's get started. First, make sure your printer is plugged into the power socket and turned on. Wait until you see the home screen or the power light is stable. Now take your phone. We will use the Canon PRINT App, because it's the easiest way to connect your printer to Wi-Fi and you get more options later, like scanning, printing, checking ink levels, and managing your printer. Open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, depending on your phone. Search for Canon Print, and once you find it, select the app. Then tap Install to download and install it. After the installation is done, open the app. At the beginning, you may need to accept some license agreements. Just tap Agree or OK to continue. After that, the app will ask you to allow permissions like Wi-Fi, storage, and location access. Tap Allow. This is required so the app can properly find and connect to your printer. Once you accept everything, the app will open and start searching for available printers. Just tap Search to begin. The searching will start. Typically, after a few seconds, a list with printers will appear. If your printer is listed, just tap Yes. If not, tap No. The search will continue, and it may take up to a few minutes, so wait patiently. If after a while your printer is still not found, tap Next to continue manually. To continue manually, the app will ask you to press a specific button on your printer. In our case, this is the Wi-Fi button. If your printer has the same button shown in the app, tap Next on your phone. Then on the next step, press and hold the Wi-Fi button on your printer for about 3 seconds. On your phone, confirm that you pressed the button, then tap Next to continue the connection process. Now wait until your printer name appears on your phone screen. Once it appears, and if it is your printer, just tap OK. Then tap Next on the next pop-up. Your phone will ask if this printer wants to connect to your device. Just tap Connect. Next, the app will automatically detect the Wi-Fi network your phone is connected to. If this is your home network, just tap OK. In the next step, you need to type your Wi-Fi password to connect your printer to the network. Enter the password, then tap OK. The connection will now start. As you can see, it may say it can take up to 150 seconds, just wait until the connection finishes. If your printer has a display, it will also show a message saying it is connected to Wi-Fi. Just tap OK on the printer to confirm. After that, the connection will continue on your phone. In a few seconds, it will finish and open the Canon PRINT App. Typically, for the first time, the app may show some instructions, promotions, or links to the official Canon website. You can skip this or take a quick look. Once everything is done, the main screen of the app will appear, and you can see all functions available. Let's do a quick test. Tap Print or Scan from the app, depending on what you want to try. For example, if you want to scan, place a document in your printer. Then, in the app, tap Scan. If this is the first time, the app will ask you to select a folder where scanned documents will be saved. Tap OK, select any folder you want, and then tap Use this folder to confirm. After that, tap Scan again. Within a few seconds, the scanned image will appear on your phone. And that's it! Your Canon printer is now connected to Wi-Fi using your phone, and everything is ready to use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.